Welcome to my channel. Today I will cook Bengali traditional recipe ছাগলের মাংস or goat meat or mutton curry. It's a side dish that is served in the main course along with rice recipes and Indian breads like roti, luchi, tandoori, kulcha, naan, etc. It can be made as a day-to-day meal as well as for special occasions. Please subscribe to my channel for more recipes. Do not forget to click the bell icon to get notification when I post a new recipe. You can share, like and comment below. I answer to all. I have taken goat meat or mutton about 1.8 kg or 17 pieces large with bones. I have taken meat from the leg. I have washed the goat meat thoroughly to get rid of blood. Drained water by keeping it in a strainer for 10 minutes. Then transferred meat to a bowl. Added turmeric powder half tablespoon, Kashmir red chili powder half tablespoon. If we are using regular red chili powder, then half teaspoon. Onion paste half cup, garlic paste half tablespoon, ginger paste half tablespoon, mustard oil 4 tablespoon, and salt 1 teaspoon. Mix well. Mustard oil is used traditionally. We can use any other oil. Now keep aside to marinate for at least 30 minutes to 1 hour. Heat oil about 3 tablespoons in a pan. In the meantime, I have taken large potato, 3, cut into halves. Skin is peeled off. Added salt, half teaspoon. Turmeric powder, little less than 1 teaspoon. Mix well. Put the potatoes into the oil and fry till golden brown in high heat. Take off the pan and keep aside. Add mustard oil 20 tablespoons. Make sure the mustard oil fumes and there is no bubble. It's a must. Otherwise, the curry will taste of raw mustard oil. Add ghee 1 teaspoon, optional, used for nice aroma. Add bay leaf 2, crushed cardamom 8, cloves 8, cinnamon stick 4, crushed cumin 2 tablespoons, and crushed coriander seeds 2 tablespoons. Saute in low to medium heat till golden brown. Cumin and coriander seeds are crushed in mixer and grinder till nearly powder. They give much better taste to the curry than powder. If we use cumin and coriander powder, then fry whole cumin 2 teaspoons along with other whole masalas. Then use cumin powder and coriander powder 2 teaspoons each along with turmeric powder and chili powder. The masala is now golden brown. Add chopped onion 1 3/4 cup. Saute in medium to high heat for 4 minutes. Instead of chopped onion, we can also use onion paste, but I have seen that chopped onion gives a better taste, look and aroma than onion paste. Add ginger paste 1 tablespoon. And garlic paste 1 tablespoon. Cook for 3 minutes in medium to high heat. We can see that the masala is golden brown. Add tomato puree 2 cups. Mix well. Add turmeric powder 1 1/2 teaspoon and Kashmiri red chili powder 1 1/2 teaspoon. If we are using regular chili powder, then use 1 teaspoon. Mix well. Cook in medium to high heat till the oil separates from the masala. As you can see, the oil has separated from masala. It is now floating on top of the masala. It means the masala is done. It's a very important step as it makes the curry tasty. Add marinated goat meat into the masala. Mix well. Cook in medium to high heat for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, we can see that the water in the meat is floating on top. That means the masala has entered the meat. Now transfer the meat to a pressure cooker. As you can see, I have transferred meat to the pressure cooker. Add water 4 cups. And salt 2 teaspoons. Mix well. Pressure cook in high heat for 15 to 20 minutes. Cooking time depends upon the size and age of the meat. I have pressure cooked for 20 minutes. Since my meat pieces are big, they are half done. Stir it. Add the fried potatoes. Pressure cook for another 20 minutes in high heat. The meat is cooked as the oil has again separated from the curry and is floating on top of the curry. Take a meat and poke it with a fork or knife. As you can see, the knife gets through without effort. But the meat has not broken. It means it's perfectly cooked. Similarly, the fork also gets through the potato very easily. Taste it, add whatever is needed. Added salt, half teaspoon. Lemon juice, 1 to 2 teaspoon. And sugar, 1 teaspoon. Mix well. Add green chili, 4, slit in the middle. This gives a nice smell of chili without making the curry hot or spicy. I will serve it hot with hot steamed rice and salad. It serves about 4 to 5 people. Please try it at home. Share it with your friends and family. Let me know how it was. You can follow me on social media. The links are given below. I will be back with a new tasty recipe. Till then, stay healthy, eat healthy, and enjoy life. Bye.